Hey guys, it's Siren. I'm going to show you how to propagate. What are these things called again?
Geraniums.
I grew them on my fence. I actually cut them from a neighbor's yard, just a couple cuttings, and they have grown beautifully. And then I have a few other colors, and I'm going to propagate the other side of the fence because ultimately I want the entire fence full of flowers. Here are the flowers. They're really pretty. These are orange, but I also have red and fuchsia. And I've already cut them. These are the ones I'm going to propagate. I've used these trusty shears that I got at Daiso for my garden, and I filled up my little bucket of water, and I'm going to transport these over. All right, let's go. Let's do it here. Let's do the fence. Okay. That's okay. So that's those two branches, and we still got this whole thing to go. I'll plant all of this. Well, now I'm laying down because I've been working hard all day. I hope that you enjoyed the video. I left it kind of ASMR, so I hope that it was kind of fun or soothing to hear all of the sounds of the dirt and the digging and the planting. But my final comments are that these geraniums, the specific type that I planted, are very easy to propagate. I don't have to use rooting powder or anything. In fact, the ones that I propagated from were also propagated the same way that you saw. I just stick them in the ground, water them every now and again, and they grow pretty well. And they're growing kind of tall, so I don't know if they're gonna eventually take over the fence or not. But the ones that I propagated from are from over a year ago, and let's see how this goes. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe, and I will catch you on the next video.